The great thing about the content portfolio at IONS is that we deliver it in numerous different ways because we know that our clients have a variety of needs. So we have our hour-long webinars that talk through a topic. Then we can get really deep into a topic over a 2-day online training course. But we've introduced something that's somewhere in the middle that's called a hot topic. And this is essentially where you get together with an IONS faculty and do a really 1-day, 3-hour deep dive on a topic. And we don't just cover awareness. We actually get into the nitty-gritty of application, right? And we make sure that we do it on topics that are hot and relevant for you right now. So if you want to do a little bit more than a webinar and a little bit less than an online training, make sure you check out some upcoming hot topics from us.